So everybody should know there is one map available. So collection map. Actually, sequence is array collection map like this. Third component is map, we are saying. So why we are going for map means in the process of holding database table data in the process of holding database table data. In the process of holding database table data, collection cannot differentiate primary key and non-primary key. It cannot differentiate. Because of this reason, we are taking the support of map. So where it can organize primary key and non-primary key separately, where K stands for key and V stands for value. Okay, right. Today, I'm not writing program on product. I'm writing program on student because student has many fields, no? Because after that, programs will not be there. Last program, map. After that, remaining all concepts only. Multi-thread one concept, IO string file one concept. File also we never practice. Multi-thread also we never practice because multi-thread example is a server, Tomcat server. Files replaced with databases. Like this, your network terminology is advanced. Like this, all are concepts only. Only practical is this one. So this only practical. What you are doing two programs here, this chapter is practical chapter here and there. You are practicing one or two programs. So this one easy. I typed many times anyway. So I want to do student related action. I want to do student related action. I want to do. Right. So student will have one roll number. Student will have one roll number. One name will be there. One branch will be there. Of course, many fields will be there. We are not concentrating anyway. I'll concentrate on total marks. Total marks and percentage. Percentage. And I'll say result. I'll say result. So result means first class, second class, and so on. Right. So this is your table. Imagine according to database, this is your table. This is your table. This is one table form. This is one table. Table. So among this table, this one, primary key, no? Student means roll number is the primary key. Generally, whatever the projects you take in the market, banking related links only very high will be there. Today, banking minimum. Other than that, for practice purpose, student, employee, customer, user, this kind of terms will be there with you. So this one, you feel it as, sir, this is one table. Now I want to organize this table data into your map. That's my intention here. Okay, right. Whenever the map is there means one table view must be there. Always in the real time, table view means the one table view must be there. Of course, here I am reading the data from command prompt, but in the real time, HTML form input, then data will come from database. This is only real time scenario. Here, practice purpose, we are entering the data from console and we are printing onto console. Your console input, console output is only for demo purpose. Okay, right. This is our table view. Today you can design one form also with your knowledge anyway. So this is one student table we are taking. Today, who completed HTML, CSS, JavaScript? You design one beautiful screen about student details, one beautiful form you have to decide it. Their common fields are roll number, name, branch. Okay, right. If possible, 6 subject marks you design it. Means Telugu, Hindi, English. You take it as school marks, you take it. Telugu, Hindi, English, something. 6 subjects will be there. You can design that form. Down you keep a fields like total marks display, percentage display, result display, like this. If you do calculate, the data should be calculated. Or then after we change the form into insert and retrieve. That is a different issue. Insert and retrieve we are going to do. Like this, design one form, and you know JavaScript also. Yes or no? Now? JavaScript is validation, form validation. Whenever you find time, you practice form validations, you do some groundwork. HTML, CSS easy. You can copy paste. Many online tutorials will be there, online materials also there. You can copy that tag and paste it. Color will come. Their knowledge not needed. But n number of tags available, you must know. So some trainer will come and speak more number of tags and differences he speak to understand the differences. Beyond that, you also must be in position to collect more number of tags, HTML, CSS. Not only collecting, whenever you find them, you must trial them. So if you trial once, at least you will understand copy paste. Anything, I also will do that only. Nothing is there. Whenever I want to CSS, who will type it? I'll go to some materials will be there. I'll copy that tag and I'll run demo. According to me, color is coming once, I'll copy that into my code and run it. When the script comes, you must write validation. So the phone number must be 10 digits. If you enter less than 10 or greater than 10, one error message should come. Subject marks, you must not enter less than 0, greater than 100. That kind of validation, some logic needed, no? So I'm asking you to practice script. In the market also, openly I'm speaking. UI engineer, how much experience there also? Code writer write a script means more efficiently will write, because they'll ask, do you have UI technology knowledge? They'll ask. The reason we are a basic code writer, no, we are. That flavor will be there very high. So I'm suggesting you to put your hands on UI. So when you enter into a company, your main domain is Java only. If you have hands on UI, they'll consider you because you can write more script than other people. That logical flavor. You try this HTML, CSS, JavaScript form for it. You try it. Now our class is, sir, this is roll number is key. This is key according to it. And these are all values. These are all values. So these values are depending upon that key. These are all values. Now, values can be replicated. Key cannot be replicated, no? Yes or no? Na? Roll, because they are calling it as primary key. Sub name, 2 Raj Kumars can be in your class. It is possible. 2 students can have same branch CSE. It is possible. Same students can have same total marks, 540 roughly. So, but roll number will be only one. That's called primary key. Of course, your database trainer will speak more. Primary key, foreign key, candidate key. So this kind of flavors he'll write more. Whenever you're writing keys also, you must prepare a notes. Whatever he say, you write it. After that, you search it and prepare it. That key related information, you should have a great command on it according to database. Because database trainer is spending 2 months time with you. So only queries, no. Other than that, you have to learn something. More than that, you try it. Anyway, that key, according to Java program, that key. So roll number, according to the student universities, if we take it, roll numbers will be 10 digits. Okay, remove the size. Because server programmer, I'm not counting the size because UI engineer will count it. Whether you entered your roll number 10 digits or not, I'll give the control to you. I'll call UI engineer, I'll say you read only roll number having 10 digits means you'll write a script and you keep it automatically. In the front end, automatically it filter and give it. So I no need to write it is a length 10 or not, no need to write. As a server code writer, not needed. But the roll number will be string for us. What kind of data? String. Because maximum university roll numbers will be alphanumeric. Combination of characters and numbers. Whenever we have a combination of character and number, that is string. Have you observed me in our class also? I'll take student ID, varchar I'll take. Sorry, not varchar. String I will take. Your customer ID also string one I'll take. Book ID string I'll take. Product ID string I'll take. So string is a global acceptable data. Means it can accept a float, double, everything it can accept. So what is roll number now? String. Then what about values, sir? So values is not a single value, no? So value is not about single value. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Then which data type I must take? So I will take the data type as here student values. I'll take. So student values is a data type. Means yes, data type. How means I am taking it as one class I will take. What I'll take now? User defined class I will take. Data types, how many types now? Two types, primitive, non-primitive. In non-primitive, what is the first one now? Class. I took class type. Their string predefined and student values is a user defined. Now the statement. In the process of organizing database table data using map, construct user defined class having variables equal to values. That's a statement. All of understand this. You construct one user defined class. In that variables must be equal to values. Values means what now? Name, branch, total marks. Primary key separate. You don't include that primary key in the user defined class. In the user defined class, one object will come here. So definitely one object will come or not now. Suppose if we create one object for this user defined class, if we create one object roughly, object is one storage, no, indirectly. In this storage, what will be there now? Student name will be there, branch will be there, total marks will be there, percentage will be there, and result will be there. So the object is holding these 5 fields or not now. So here two objects are there. One is string object. One is student values object. All of understood the statement what I am speaking, right? So like this, whenever in the real time map is there means developer should visualize one table. Definitely table name also will be there in your document. You put on the paper what kind of table it is. There, one primary key information also they'll give it. This is primary key and these are values. If I want to hold it, I must construct one user defined class having variables equal to the values. Can I start coding now? Right. Okay. Yesterday I given a theoretical map is available. Some important methods I copied here, and there are 4 components implementations. Here no order, here insertion order, here automatically ascending order based on primary key, and this is synchronized. So remaining all constructors only. I'm not speaking constructors. I'm keeping because some similar came. I'll speak separately. I'm postponing and coming since 2-3 sessions. Now here, example, application I am taking. Right. Demonstrating map. Demonstrating map holding student details. Holding student details. Holding student details. Right. So this for demo purpose, what you are doing here, one diagram, because you should have a clarity now what is our visual. Of course, data not there here, but I'm inserting data. We are not working with database table, but visually it's like a table form or visual. So this is a diagram. I'll paste it. From this diagram, I'll make a statement here. Note, construct one user defined class holding variables equivalent to database table values. I'll make a statement. So this diagram I'll post there. Okay, right. Down, I'll make a statement. Note, construct user defined class holding variables equal to database table values. Construct user defined class holding variables equal to database table values. Database table values. Database table values. Right. I am taking one class P1 student values dot Java. I'm going to take one student values dot Java. I'm going to take. Date I forget. What is the date today? 10th. Student values. Student values. Right. Let me construct that. Now collection. Instead of collection, I'm taking map. I'll take project. Application related to map. Application related to map. Application map. Take. Under map, I am taking two packages, P1 and P2. P1 and under P1, I am taking one class. I am taking student values. I am taking student values. I said take variables which are equivalent to database table values. So here, public string name is there, branch is there. So public int total marks is there. Public float percentage is there. Next, result. Result also string only anyway. So some result. Actually, we'll take a marks. Actually, we take one array and we preserve the marks. Actually, I'm not writing that. In your advances, we write it. Why means some admins will be there. Student management system. If you take any college, one employee will be there to organize the student details. Example, he inserts, he retrieves, he checks. Example. Suppose if he want to check it, he will perform one login and you will click, I want to see all students. You'll click on all students will be displayed. So all student details means roll number, name, branch, suppose total marks, percentage, result. Side, one hyperlink will give it, view marks, href. If we click on that href, the marks will be displayed. Like this, we do some actions in advances. We train the student how the data are coming, flowing. That kind of projects, many things will be there. But in the background, what is happening, students should know, because we'll train that kind of flavor to us. Even billing also we train it. Suppose if you go for Flipkart, add to cart, from there go for billing. That kind of logic also we will try. So here the logic in importance is how the data is moving from one form to another form in the server code. Because whenever you selected add to cart and go for billing, it is taking and showing the bills or not now. Means somewhere it is storing it. That storages are object storages. So object oriented programmer should know how they are available, from where I am taking. This kind of logics we write in advances. So few things. For now, I am taking one user defined class student values having name, branch, total marks, percentage, result. Now, display the data. So always we use public string to string method we are using. RETURN, return name /t and branch /t and total marks. Total marks. Percentage. Next result, like this. So this is toString method. This class automatically extends from object, actually. Automatically extended. Whatever the classes you take, the class is automatically extended from object, and this method is overriding method at the rate of override. Actually, it is a override method. The comment available here overrides java.lang.object.toString method. It's a overriding method. So this is one user defined class anyway. The same class we will type in advance, but we name this class as bean class. We called it in advanced Java as a bean class, we'll say. The bean class, 1 or 2 rules we add it. So normal object only, but 1 or 2 rules we add in your advance. So this is one user defined class. All of you understood this user defined class holding name, branch, total marks, percentage, result. Nothing but values part it is. Values part. So that program is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Go for main class. Under P2, new class. So demo map 1 I'm taking. Right. So import java.util. So import p1.star. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. I'm taking. Try of S I'm taking. End of try with resource. Here try and catch. Exception and E dot print stack trace. Here I'm taking a map. So whenever I'm taking a map here, yesterday's notes, this map is having 4 implementations, no? Right. Based on the choice, you can select any one object. As I given this kind of model. So if you want hash map, we can create hash map object to hold it like this. I'm showing one choice. Map is holding K comma V. But here, K means string object. What object now? String object. V means what object now? Student values. All of you understood this? Say yes or no to me. If this you understood, map over actually. Because database table, first one is primary key object. Second one is values object. In values, more number will be there. If you want to hold more number, you have to create user defined class to hold. That's the concept, right? All together in a single object. So I am taking some OB equal to null. Yesterday I typed one flavor, no, same flavor I'm going to type it. String name is equal to some null. I'm using one while loop now. True. Using one while loop. This is outer loop. Outer loop. Here I am giving a choice. system dot out dot println. I am showing the choice. I am showing. Right. Choice. System dot out dot println. So hash map. Linked hash map. Tree map. Hash table. So exit. Exit. Now system dot out dot println. Enter the choice. So switch off. Integer not parse int. Yes, not next line. Sir, why you're taking parse means here combination of numeric and string is going to come. End of switch. Case 1. So 5 cases are there. You have to type 5 cases. Case 2. Break. Case 3. Break. Case 4. Break. So case 5 is exit. System dot out dot print and operations. Operations stopped. So system dot exit of 0. So default here system dot out dot println invalid choice. You must use continue here because below codes will be there. After that switch also some code will come. So whenever you press entered any default case, so it should be repeated, but below code should be skipped. So that's called continue. Okay, right. Now here, if I selected case 1, here OB is equal to new hash map holding string object and student values. Student values object. It is holding. So NM is equal to you entered hash map. This is for output purpose. I'm taking that name. Okay, right. So case 2. Here linked hash map. Linked hash map. Linked hash map. Here tree map. Tree map. Tree map. Here hash table. Lowercase. Hash table. Lowercase. Like this. Based on the choice, we are going to select any one object. You are going to select it. After the switch, the object will be there. So system dot out dot println. Here perform operations on. Perform operations on NM. Perform operations on NM. Point. Suppose this operations also I want to repeat it. You can write while. You're starting one more while no here. True. I'm starting one more while here. End of inner loop. Of inner loop. Perform operations on this. Here I'm printing the choice. What operations you want to do on that NM. What operations means first put. Up to now we had a method known as a add. Have you observed this? Right. So adding element to set, adding element to queue, adding element to list. Now the method is put. Here the method name is put. Do you remember string buffer? Append. Entire question is there. What is the difference between okay. There. What is the difference between append, add, put? So append method is used to add the data to string buffer object and builder object. Add method is used to add the data to collection object. You must data to map. Whenever you want to add the data to map, we had a method known as put. All of understood this statement? Right. Okay. Now put method is there. Whenever we put it, you should remove it. Always you must know two operations. Add, remove first. Basic. So you must not remove. Get. Get means getting one element object, one element will come. So three basic methods now. Put, get. Okay, right. Now one more method here is only keys I must display. Only keys. I said no yesterday. Show timings 2 p.m. This kind of work also we will do in Advanced Java. Actually, in my books you can find it. My Advanced Java books you can find that. The projects will be there. I'll be concentrating with hyperlink also because it will display only books. Sorry, anchor tags only will display primary key. If we click it, then remaining details should come. That kind of logic also I'll educate. Of course, I'll take small programs. My intention is not program. My intention is background concept should be student should learn. Always product will not be there. Always student will not be there. Here concept only, background concept. So that kind of actions, whenever you want to display only keys, you have to take key outside, no? Not only key set. I want to take values, only keys, two methods are there. Have you observed these 5 methods now? One is put, one is remove, one is get by object means primary key only, get by primary key. If you enter primary key, the details will come. Okay, right, that's called get. 3 methods, and one more is only keys, key set, and only values. All of you not. So 5 methods. With that 5 methods, I'm using for each method for display. Can you see for each method? For each method will work on collection. For each method is work on map. For each method information I not given to you. Actually, I given nodes only. For each method having one consumer, I given a nodes to you. But for each method belongs to where I not given a nodes. In iterator, that cursor statements also I written iterator, list iterator, enumeration, and I written SPL iterator. There also for each method I not written. Why I not written? That 4 are interfaces. This one method I not included. Here also one for each method came. I am using for each method for display. Okay, right. Now see how many operations you want to do. You said asked to select the operations. No, how many operations you want to select it. So one I'll go with put method. That is k comma v will be there. Put k comma v. Put. Now remove. One method is remove. One method is remove. So remove by object. We are going to remove by object. Slash n slash t. Here get by object. Get by object. We are using get by object. We are using. Here 4. I am using key set. I am using display only keys. Key set I am using. And 5 I am using values. Only values I am displaying. Now here slash n slash t. Here 6th one is exit. You have to exit the inner loop, no? You have to exit the inner loop. Now enter the choice. System dot out dot println. So enter the choice. Going to enter the choice. Again, I am writing switch off integer dot parse int s dot next line. So this is one switch. End of switch. Here 6 cases. Case 1. Break. Case 2. Break. Case 3. Anyway. Case 3. Break. Case 4. Break. Case 5. Break. Case 6. Now system dot out dot exit, no, right? Println operations stopped. Operations stopped on. Stopped on NM. Here, if we say system.exit, total program will be stopped. You must not stop the program. You have to stop only inner loop. You have to stop. Whenever you want to stop only inner loop, for this inner loop, you can give some name. Yes or no now. PQR. I am giving one label, means name. So I can say break PQR. I can say. So break PQR means stopping the inner loop. I'm stopping the inner loop or not? No, inner while loop. So here default. So default means invalid choice. System.out.println invalid choice. Where is this? Invalid choice. Right. This is the structure actually. Logic I not started. Just structure. I not started these methods. Put remove. Just logical means program structure I constructed and came. So let me cross check. The loops are under my control. The meaning sometimes you'll get infinite loop. Some people will ask us, sir, infinite loop is coming. Sir. Nowadays they are not asking. So infinite loop coming means that condition you not properly analyzing. So that is going out of your control. That's called infinite loop. See there, run the program. Right. What you want here? Enter the choice. You want a hash map, linked hash map, tree map, hash table. So wrong choice. Invalid choice. Below things are not running because continue is there. So I selected hash map. Suppose, see there. Perform operations on hash map. Have you observed this? Right. So put, remove, get, key set, values, something. So I selected wrong choice here. Invalid choice. Perform operations on hash map. So exit. If I exit, inner loop will be run. Sorry, terminated, outer loop will be running. Outer loop running or not now? Operation stopped on hash map. You want still to run it. Choice is there still. I selected 4 now. Perform operations on hash table. Have you observed? The loops are under my control now. So exit inner loop. Again you exit your outer loop. Sorry, here. Okay. Exit inner loop. Exit outer loop. Answer came out or not? No. The loops are under my control. Now let us do the operations. Okay, right, like this. So first selection is what now, sir? First selection is, sorry. You select any one object, but first operation is what now? Put. Whenever the put operation is there, you have to read the total details of student, no? Roll number, name, branch. You have to read it. Now see, system dot out dot println. So enter student details. What are the student details? You enter it. So system dot out dot println, enter the roll number. You have to enter. Enter the roll number. So I am reading string roll number is equal to s dot next line. So enter the name branch. Enter the name. Enter the name. I am reading it as name. Enter the branch. The branch. I am reading it as branch. So enter. How can you read total marks? Right. I must read the 6 subject marks or not now. Right. Okay. System dot out dot println, enter 6 subject marks. 6 subject marks. You have to read it. For this, int I is equal to 1 and total marks is equal to 0. I must take total marks 0 or no? Means you have to add the total marks, no? Right. For that I am running one loop no here. Right. I am running one loop. End of loop. Here I less than or equal to 6. You have to run the loop for 6 times. No, right. So system dot out dot print ln. Enter the marks of subject 1. Now int sum subject is equal to s dot I must not write integer s not s integer dot parse int s dot next line. You have to add it now. Total marks is equal to total marks plus subject. I am not doing any validation there. Less than 0, greater than, I am not writing because I asked you to write that validation through script no in your advances. Anyway, you got eligibility for advance already. This is demo program. You write it. Like this, total marks will come no. Yes or no? No. After total marks came here, you have to calculate percentage no. Float. Percentage is equal to total marks by 6. This is percentage. Total marks came, percentage came. Result should come, no? Right. You have to get a result. Whenever you want to get a result, I am taking one subclass I am taking here. Subclass, I'll take it as student result. I'll take a class here. In the student result, so public string calculate or generate of int not float percentage will be there. So if that percentage greater than or equal to 70 and percentage less than or equal to 100. So return distinction. You should return. You should return distinction, no? Right. Else, if percentage greater than or equal to 60 and percentage less than 70, so return FIRST. FIRST. First class you can return. Else, if percentage greater than or equal to 50 and percentage less than 60, RETURN, return second class you can return. Right. Anyway, fail case, third class and fail, if not to fail. Okay, right. Else, if percentage greater than or equal to 35 and percentage is less than 50, RETURN, return third class you have to return. Else, RETURN, return fail. Right. All of understood this code? Right. Validations I am not doing. Starting I done some conditions I done it, but already you crossed your JavaScript today. Whenever you find time, you design forms and do validations there. Practice. Again, I am repeating, be strong in script, all of you. Right. It's mandatory. So this is right. Now come here. Take result. Result means string, no? Right. String result is equal to, string result is equal to new student result. This is one object, no? Yes or no? Na? Object dot call generate 1%. I am doing in a single line. Here one object created, the object dot call the method, pass the parameter, the answer will come. Right. Now see, sir, roll number is ready, name is ready, branch is ready, total marks is ready here, percentage ready, result is ready, no? Right. You have to create object for this or not now, right? Here, sir, we have to load the data to these values. Student values is there, no? Whenever we want to load the data to these values, Actually, there are three ways available now. One, using constructor, you can load it. One, using object reference variable, you can load it. One, using what is the other one? Setter method you can use. In advanced Java, we use setter method. Now for this, temporarily, I am using constructor here. I am using constructor. So student values, string name, string branch, int total marks, float percentage, string result. Like this, I am using constructor to initialize the data. So this dot name is equal to name. This dot branch is equal to branch. This dot total marks is equal to total marks. This dot percentage is equal to percentage. This dot result is equal to result. So I'm using constructor to initialize the instance variables. Now come here to mine. So now I must insert roll number and values. How I'll insert now here. OB dot put. Put method is there? No, right. First one is what now? New string. New string means object, no? Or number. This is one object. Here, you must use one more object, no? Here, right. So, new student values of. You have to pass parameter here. What now? Name as parameter, branch as parameter, total marks as parameter, percentage parameter, and result. Have you understood this method says or no to me? Right. I am putting two objects. I am putting one object string object, one object values. Actually, this is object only. I can pass R number directly. You know, no? There are two types of objects. One is literal process. One is already this is object only, but to make you to understand here, because in your database table, always string will not be there as a primary number. Primary key. Sometimes number also will be there. No? Number means integer. Their number means here integer. If any biggest number is there, account number is primary key. I came 5 minutes early. No, that's a problem, I think. Okay. So to make you to understand here, one object is there. Here one object is there. I'm adding new. So I have to display these details. Now, system dot out dot println. Here I am displaying student details. I'll display. I will display. Whenever I want to display the student details here for each method, right? Their consumer here, their consumer here by consumer, by means two. Their single element here K and V. That only difference. By means two. There for each method, but parameter is their consumer here by consumer. Consumer is for each method of collection. By consumer is for each method of your map. So K comma V here. OP dot for each. So here K comma V. Now system dot out dot println display K tab space display V. So here two string methods are executed automatically whenever you display it, right? Run this program up to here, it is working or not. So run the main like this. Sir, I am selecting hash map here. Put method. Enter the student details. Enter the student details. Now roll number some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name always Raj. Branch CSC. 6 subject marks 90, 90, 90, 98, 87. All subject one only. I forgot right I think. Right, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll correct. What happened? I plus plus I forget it. In your program here, I forgetted I plus plus. It's a no now, right? So I forget this increment. Now run it. Now hash map and put. Enter the student details. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And Raj again. And CSC. Subject marks 90, 98, 89, 78, 67, 74. See there, roll number, name, branch, total marks, percentage, and result. Add one more. Add one more. So suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1 roughly. And Ram here. And he is from Triple E. And subject marks are 87, 76, 71, 46, like this. Getting or not now, right? All of you understood this. Like this, you can add any number of unlimited. No, these objects are unlimited. But the answer is coming like a record only. Answer is coming like a record only. Where is that? Answer is coming like a records only. But internally, two objects, no? Key separate and value separate. So internally we are organizing two objects. What is the advantage now? Whenever I want to display keys, I can take that object and display it. It will be very easy for organization for me. So organizing of data will be easy. Okay. So exit. Now I'll say remove. I'll say remove. Exit from here and exit from here. Okay. Hope you understood put method, I think. Yes or no now? Right. So put method is going to add some data. Now remove. I'm doing remove. You know, no, whenever you want to perform remove, the map must not be empty. So we are using a method known as is empty. We are using a method known as is empty. Okay, right. Case 2, you have to check it. Whenever I selected case 2, if that ob dot is empty, if it is true, you can say map is empty. You can say system dot out dot println. You can say map is empty. If map is not empty, you have to remove it. Okay, right. So system dot out dot println. Enter the roll number to remove details, because we are removing or not now. You have to enter it. So roll number is nothing but string, no? Right. So R number 2 is equal to S dot next line. That is string only directly. Okay, right. Now I want to remove it. Remove method return type is here. You can see remove method. Where is this? Remove method return type is value. It is not Boolean. In your collection chapter, it is a Boolean. It is not Boolean. So what you have to do now? First, we have to check that primary key available or not. You have to check it. Then only you should delete. The operations procedure is first you have to check it. Then only you can delete it. So first you have to check it. Whenever you want to check here, your contains key method is there. No. Can you see this? First you use this method and pass your primary key. It will say true or false. If primary key is there, it says true. Key is there. If not, it says key not there. When the key not there, don't do the remove operation. So now I am doing this work. First you have to cross check how. If OB dot contains key roll number. If it is true, okay. If not, you can say roll number not available or invalid roll number. You can say system dot out dot print ln. You can say roll number not found. You can say I did not found the roll number. If roll number is there, you can say OP dot remove of roll number. Right. So if it is successful, system dot out dot print ln. Here student details removed successfully. Removed successfully. Whenever you removed it, display the remaining details. Remaining details means for each method is there, no here. Remaining details. Now let me check. This is after removing this. So whenever the key is available, if it is true, then perform remove and display the message and display the remaining. Suppose if it is false, control will come here and say roll number not found. So let me run it. So enter the hash map. You can enter anything. Roughly I'm taking hash map. So I want to do remove operation. So map is empty. How can you do remove operation? You cannot do. First you have to add it. Okay, right. So put method. Just put only very hard at it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Roll number Raj. Sorry, branch. CSE 98. 97, 67, 76, 75, 77. Add one more. That is 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name is some RAM. Branch is some triple E. And subject marks are 76, 77, 75, 72, 56, some 89 like this. Both are distinction. Now I want to remove it. Remove it. Enter the roll number to remove the details. I am entering 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Roll number not found. Have you observed that? Right. Now I'll enter correct roll number here. 1. I forget it. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. See there. Student details removed successfully. Only one record available or not now. Have you observed it? So based on that primary key, you can do remove. Why it will do remove directly means in your collection you have to write one loop and you have to check it. You are not there. Directly primary key it will remove it because primary key replication not there. No, it will have only one point. But in the collection duplicate is accepted. So their problem will be there, but here problem not there. Primary key is there, no, directly primary key available means you say remove. The remove method will run the algorithm and delete it. There is an advantage here. All of you understood put method and remove method, right? Get. Get means get details based on your roll number. Sometimes you will enter the roll number and search the roll number related information will come or not now. So based on one primary key, remaining details has to come. Based on one primary key, remaining details. Like this, many operations are available in the websites already. Okay, right. Now 6 and 5 exit. I am going with get method. I had a method known as get. So whenever I want to get the details, same. Map must not be empty. Right. This one. If OB dot is empty. If it is true, you can say system dot out dot println. You can say map is empty. You can say. If map is not empty, system dot out dot println. Enter the roll number to get details. To get student details. Get student details. Now string roll number 3 is equal to yes dot next line. Whenever you want to get it also, first you have to check that available or not. You have to, if not found should come. Not found should come. Always remember OB dot contains key. If it is available, you can get it. System dot out dot println. You can say roll number not found. You can say roll number not found. You can say. If roll number available, based on the primary key, student details are coming. So get method return type is values. Can you see here value? V means what? Based on primary key, value is coming. Value means what now? Name, branch, and so on. So value is the return type here. OB dot get key R number 3. It will return student values. Student values it return. All of you understood this? Says or no to me? Right. Now you display that student values. System dot out dot println. You can display SV. SV means that the student details only displayed here. Why I am not writing any toString means toString is auto executable method. No. Right. All of you understood this. Where is this method? Get method, all of you. So get by one primary key to get it. Okay, right. Now let me run this get method once. Right. Some hash map or linked hash map. Now I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Again RAM only. Here CSC. Some 87, 78, 67, 76, 65, 66. Add one more. Some 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And some triple I'm taking always. And Raj here. And 78, 76, 98, 90, 99, 67. I want to get it. 3. Get by, enter the roll number to get student details. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Details are coming or not? RAM, CSC, right. All of you understood get method? Get method will play key role. We are having get method very popularly. Based on any primary key, you can get some details. Okay, right. Hope you understood put method, remove method, get method. Now you have to display only key set and values. Only keys, only values you can display. So now exit and exit. Now, sir, case 4. Again, whenever you want to display only key data, the map cannot be empty, no? The map cannot be empty. Same concept. OB dot is empty. I'm using else. So system dot out dot print ln. You can say map is empty. You can say if map is not empty, get the keys outside. So key set. What is the return type here now? Set means what? No index, no duplicate. So keys means no duplicate. Key set means no duplicate. So they're asking you to collect the key set. See there. Key set I'm taking. OB dot key set I'm taking. OB dot key set return type is set. What kind of data means string data? Key set. KS I'll write. I'm getting the key set or not now, right? Now I'll display the keys. System dot out dot print ln. I'm displaying the key set here. I'm displaying the key set. How I'll display the key set? Set means collection family. I can use for each method, no? KS dot for each. Here for each is single value, no? K. Only single value. So display system dot out dot print ln. Okay. Only keys will be displayed. All of you understood this line? Says or no to me? Right. Only keys will come. Why they given set means duplicate not allowed. Primary key duplicate not there. If you enter duplicate also it will not take. Okay, right. Now case 5. It's also easy. Case 5 is what now? Values. Values return type is what now? Collection. They are taking parent names. So here replication is possible. Replication is possible. If they write only set, of course, problem will come. They return collection. Okay, right. Now, same concept. If OB dot is empty, dot is empty. So system dot out dot print ln. You can say map is empty. You can say EMPTY empty. You can say. If map is not empty, OB dot values. OB dot values. Return type is collection. Collection holding what data? Values data. Values data means what now? Student values. Some values, no, I'm taking VL, I will take. Some values. So display it. System dot. So system dot out dot print ln. Some values coming here. I'm displaying only values I'm displaying here. Again, VL dot for each only values I'm displaying. So system dot out dot print ln v I'm displaying. All of you understood key set and values? Right. Okay. Major methods are put, remove, and get. So if I want to display only keys, key set. If I want to display only values, values. These methods I take it. So I took size common anyway. I took key is empty, contains key, get, put, remove. I took key set and values. The remaining methods I not used. Okay, right. I used for each. Here replace all is there. I'll use them. Off method common. Entry set is there. I'll use it. Okay, right. That's. Now let me run this program once. Now I'm taking tree set. Tree set means ascending order, no? Automatically, right? Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Less number I am taking. Raj. Branch CSE. Now 89, 98, 78, 77, 76, 56, like this. Now choice here. Again put roll number is some 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and Raj triple E some 78, 76, 56, 67, 65, 45 like this. Choice I'll go with 2, 3, 4 and Alex I had branch sum easily. I had subject marks 78, 98, 97, 78, 77, 67 like this. Their alignment will not come. Don't forget it. This is console, alignment will not come. In advanced Java, through HTML form, we can print alignment. Table tag is there, no for you. We can put that. Okay, right. Now here, remove, get. I want key set, no? Right, 4 key set. Key set means only roll numbers. Can you see? And only values I'll take. Only values. 5 means values. Only values are coming, no? Only values. Okay, right. Now put one more. Sub 1, 3, 4. Sub branch sub triple E. 89, 97, 87, 67, 77, 86. So these are the data. I want to get anyway. This will be in ascending order only. Of course, these are less used anyway. The reason your database also you had queries, no? Ordered by, list by, queries are there for you. So they will do the work actually that UI, that SQL engineer will write the document and give to you. But even then you must know because this is data structure flavor, no? Data structure meaning is structuring of data and doing some operations. I can add it, I can remove it, I can delete it, I can edit it. So somewhere the data I can keep it. That kind of concept we are practicing. Array that only, collection that only, map that only. So all are similar flavors from your core. Okay, right. So for us also for possibilities are available, we are showing. So enter 2, 3, 4, the details will come. Hope you understood, right? All methods you understood. Major methods, put, remove, get, key set, values. So exit and exit. This is a program. This is called map program. So output also like program only. Okay. Here P2, sorry. Under P1 I took one more, no? Student result dot Java. Under P2 I took demo map 1 dot Java. This is one main class I taken. So output here I am copying it. So the operations I am copying to you. Today only one program related to map. So tomorrow I'll explain this with 5 minutes. Already you understood all operations, but I want to show the diagram. 5 minutes I'll show the visual. Then I'll give a notes on by consumer came. No, by consumer came today. Notes because consumer came by consumer. I introduced a predicate. Do you remember? By predicate will come. I introduced a function. Do you remember? By function will come. So tomorrow I'm introducing by consumer, by predicate, by function. And then you'll get one clarity. Down one entry set is there. You return for each method. No, sir. For each method means 2014 method. That is means Java 8 new method. Before that, many engineers work on no, sir. What they used? You are writing for each very easily. That is a new engineer strategy. What about old engineer strategy? What they used, sir, means your entry set is there. Where is this? Here one entry set is there. The entry set is the old format to display. I'll reveal that. So new engineers will write for each anyway. Old engineers, what they written? They written entry set, they written. I'll introduce entry set tomorrow for loop. Not for loop, for each loop. So tomorrow I'll introduce that. Interview question is there. Entry set definition. Why means they'll test. If I given a maintenance project, whether you will understand the old format or not, they'll ask this question. So you must know entry set. Tomorrow I'll reveal that entry set. Off method common anyway. Here replace all means by function is coming. Tomorrow my target by predicate, by consumer, by function. Java 8 feature. And old one is entry set. Off method is 9 feature. So tomorrow map will be ended. That's a point. Map you understood, no? So in the real time playing a key role in your servlets also in the background map will be there. Correct. So take a break. I had a comfortable time today. I'll upload the notes in a correct location. I'll upload. Right. So thank you very much for today.